Welcome to another video by Tecnacion, where our mission is to simplify the use of technology. In this video, we will be discussing our contact form. Let's get started. The contact form is available on every computer that is part of our managed IT services. This form allows you to send us a quick request for tech support with the option to include an image of everything that's on the screen. Including an image of everything that's on the screen is helpful for when you're experiencing problems, and the information on the screen can help us solve your problem that much faster. In order to get to the contact form, you must first locate our tray icon towards the bottom of your screen, click on it, and then select Contact Us. This will bring up the contact form. In the contact form, there are a couple of fields, all of them which are required in order to submit the form. If this computer is assigned to one particular user, some of that information will already be populated on the form. But if this computer is used by multiple users, where there's no one user particularly assigned to it, you must fill this information in yourself. This information includes your name, your email address, and the phone number. The other information that's required is the subject and the description of the problem. Let's go ahead and fill that in right now. If you want to include an image of everything that's on the screen, click on the checkbox towards the bottom of the form which states include an image of my screen. This will include an image of everything that's on the screen, and don't worry about moving the form out of the way to include information that's behind the form. The image that we receive will be of the screen without the form in the way. Once you're ready to send the form, click on Send Request towards the bottom of the form. Then you'll receive a confirmation that the form has been sent. We will receive the form, and a ticket will be created for your problem. That's all there is to the contact form. This is just another way we're working to simplify technology for you.